Why is soup necessary when you have a cold or flu? When you're feeling sick with a cold or flu, there's nothing quite like a warm bowl of soup. But why is soup so good for you when you're under the weather? This video will explain the reasons why soup is a great choice when you have a cold or flu, provide some statistics about these common illnesses, and share some important information about cold and flu. Cold and flu statistics. Colds and the flu are very common. Here are some important statistics. 1. Colds. The average adult gets about 2 or 3 colds per year, while children can get even more, up to 8 colds a year. 2. Flu. In the United States, millions of people get the flu each year. It leads to hundreds of thousands of hospitalizations and tens of thousands of deaths annually. These numbers show just how common and serious these illnesses can be. The flu, in particular, can lead to severe complications, including pneumonia, which can be life-threatening. Why soup is good for a cold or flu. 1. Hydration. When you have a cold or flu, staying hydrated is crucial. Fever, sweating, and a runny nose can all lead to fluid loss. Soup, especially broth-based soups, helps to keep you hydrated. The warm liquid can also soothe a sore throat and help break up congestion. 2. Nutrient-rich. Soup is a source of nutritious ingredients like vegetables, lean meats, and herbs. These ingredients provide essential vitamins and minerals that support your immune system. For example, chicken soup often includes carrots, celery, and onions, which are rich in vitamins A and C, both important for immune function. 3. Easy to digest. When you're sick, your appetite might be low, and your stomach might be sensitive. Soup is easy to digest, making it a good option when you're not feeling well. It's gentle on the stomach, but still provides the nutrients you need. 4. Warmth and comfort. The warmth of soup can provide comfort when you're feeling chilly from a fever or just generally unwell. It can help to warm you up from the inside out, providing a soothing effect. 5. Natural decongestant. The steam from hot soup can act as a natural decongestant. Breathing in the steam can help to open up nasal passages, making it easier to breathe. This is particularly helpful if you're dealing with a stuffy nose. 6. Boosts immune function. Some ingredients in soup, like garlic and ginger, have natural antiviral and antibacterial properties. These ingredients can help strengthen your immune system, making it easier for your body to fight off the virus causing your illness. 7. Eases symptoms. The warmth and easy-to-swallow nature of soup can ease symptoms like a sore throat, cough, and congestion. The broth keeps you hydrated and helps thin mucus, making it easier to expel and reducing cough frequency. 8. Anti-inflammatory properties. Many soups, especially those with chicken, contain anti-inflammatory properties. Chicken soup, in particular, has been studied and found to reduce inflammation, which can help alleviate some of the symptoms of a cold or flu. Serious facts about cold and flu. It's important to understand that while colds are generally mild, the flu can be much more serious. Here are a few serious facts. 1. Flu complications. The flu can lead to severe complications such as pneumonia, bronchitis, sinus infections, and even inflammation of the heart or brain. 2. High-risk groups. Certain people are at higher risk for serious flu complications, including young children, elderly adults, pregnant women, and people with chronic health conditions like asthma, diabetes, or heart disease. 3. Flu deaths. Each year, tens of thousands of people in the United States die from flu-related complications. This highlights the importance of taking flu symptoms seriously and seeking medical care if needed. Soup is more than just a comfort food when you're sick with a cold or flu. It provides hydration, nutrients, and warmth, and can even help with congestion. Given the seriousness of flu-related complications, taking care of yourself when you're sick is vital. So, next time you're feeling under the weather, remember that a bowl of soup can do wonders for your recovery. Stay warm, stay hydrated, and get well soon. If you liked this video, kindly subscribe to the channel for updates on our newest content.